Welcome to SIW's Data Engineering course, Module 11, Querying Tables and Views with SQL. Spark SQL allows you to query data using SQL commands, similar to traditional relational databases. You can use the Spark session.sql function to execute SQL queries directly on your data. Here's an example of a Spark SQL query. We're querying a Hive table called People to Filter Records where the postal code is 94020. The result is returned as a data frame. For more complex queries, you can use nested select statements. Here, we're calculating the mean and standard deviation of ages for people in Massachusetts. SQL queries and data frame transformations provide equivalent functionality. Both are optimized by Spark's Catalyst Optimizer, ensuring efficient execution. You can also query directly from Parquet or JSON files without needing to create Hive tables. Here's an example of querying a Parquet file for names starting with A. Views allow you to perform SQL queries on data frames. They are temporary and can only be used within a single Spark session. Here's an example of creating a view from a data frame and then querying it using SQL. The Catalog API allows you to explore tables and manage views. You can list databases, tables, and columns using functions like list databases and list tables. Here's an example in Scala of listing all tables and views using the Catalog API. Here's the same example in Python, listing all tables and views using the Catalog API. To summarize, SQL queries can be used alongside data frame operations. Temporary views enable SQL on data frames, and the Catalog API helps manage your tables and views. Now it's your turn. Try querying tables and views with SQL by following the instructions in the hands-on exercise manual. In conclusion, we've covered how to use SQL to query tables and views in Spark, explored the Catalog API, and prepared for hands-on practice. Now, it's time to dive in and start querying. Ready to start querying with Spark SQL? Explore more resources and start your journey today. If you want to learn more about data engineering, please join our course in SIW.